Hello everyone, Chesinator TV here, and for today's video we are going to cook pork hock kare. Hello everyone, Chesinator TV here, and for today's video we are going to make a pork hock kare. Hello everyone, Chesinator TV here, and for today's video we are going to make or cook pork hock kare. So we have all our ingredients ready and good to go. So our main ingredient is the pork hock, and we got beans, green beans, we got bok choy, we got pepper, ground pepper, peanut butter, pickled onions, garlic powder, and we're gonna put salt to taste. So we got bay leaves, nor pork cubes to enhance the pork taste, and because chili is so expensive, so we only bought one piece. Just kidding. Okay.
Parang may bote sa ulo. Parang si ano lang. Parang may bote sa ulo. Conehead.
So the first step in cooking our pork kare is we just boil some water in a pot and put our pork hock in the boiling water. And put our spices mixed together with the pork hock while it boils. So we got pork cubes to enhance the taste of the pork. So we got bay leaves, we got chili, we got whole peppercorn. We're gonna add some ground pepper, we gotta add some garlic powder, and of course we're gonna add some salt to taste. And let's just let it boil for an hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours to tenderize or to tender the pork hock. If you have a pressure cooker at home, that would be better. It would only take you 30 minutes to boil all the pork hock and all the ingredients there. So while waiting, yeah, I'll just wait for an hour and 30 minutes or 2 hours, and let's start from here. So, and of course we're gonna add up some ground peanuts, magic syrup, and the last ingredients that we have here is the shrimp paste, or what they call the bagoong gisado. So let's just wait until our meat is tender, and I'll show you guys how to put all these ingredients together, and we're gonna eat it with rice. And yeah, So halfway through our boiling and cooking process is we are going to put the ground peanuts and pickled onions on the pot. So yeah, just slide it through. The purpose of putting peanuts and ground peanuts there is to add some rich flavor on the soup, on the meat, and the pickled onions. I don't know what's the purpose of adding that there. I just thought that maybe it would add some more taste to the pork or to our dish, so I just added there, and I don't know why, and I don't even know why I bought it. I just saw it on sale at Superstore, so I just grabbed it, and then I realized I'd put it in the dish, try to experiment what I'm doing here. So okay, see you later. So we just added some water on it because it's kind of low, and the pork or the pork hock sticks to the bottom of the pan. We don't want that to happen. So our next step is we're just gonna put this spoonful of peanut butter to our food and let it boil, or maybe 2 spoonfuls. It's really up to your discretion. So that, and just let it boil. It's been boiling for an hour and a half, so we're just waiting for another 30 minutes maybe, because it's kind of tender now. So put the lid back on, hike up the fire or whatever, fire it up, and we'll see what happens. So after 2 hours of boiling and cooking with all the ingredients in the pot with our pork hock, I can tell the meat is tender now because it's separated from the bone almost. And while on that step is our next step is we're just gonna put all the vegetables on the pot. So we got our beans here, just mix it all up there, and we got our bok choy there, mix the bok choy there. So I like vegetables, so I put lots of vegetables there. It'll shrink anyways. So, and then you can add some water. So got a little bit of water to help the vegetables cooked, and yeah. And then we're gonna use our shrimp paste. It's up to you whether you put the shrimp paste right on the pot and mix it all together with the vegetables and the pork, or you can put it aside and on the side and eat it later with the pork hock and the rice. So while it's still boiling right now, just put the lid back on and wait for another 3 to 5 minutes for the vegetables to be half cooked. And I like half cooked vegetables, like crunchy. I don't want it to be too soft, because you know all the nutrients in there will be gone. So a little crispy vegetables will be good, and then our food will be ready in about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be right back. While waiting for the vegetables to get blanched and cooked, so we're gonna put the last ingredients that we have here. We almost forgot about it, the magic syrup. So just mix it all there. It adds more flavor to our dish. So yeah, and then see you later. So the vegetables is tender and the pork is tender. It's almost out from the bones. So we just lower our fire so that to avoid the overcooked vegetables, and then I think it's good to go. Yeah, it's perfect. Some people put some ground rice on it to add some color, and aswete to add some color and texture. But don't have time to go to the Filipino store anymore, so I think that's good, and it smells so good. It smells like peanuts in there. So that's it for today's video, guys, and thanks so much for watching. That's the shrimp paste. That's the flavor. So that's it. Let's get fed.